Hello my dear students of class 7, welcome to maths class once again. Okay, I am teaching you chapter number 2 integers. Okay, I am still in exercise 2.1. So till question number 4 I have taught you. Today I am going to teach you question number 5. Okay, so what is question number 5? Let us see. Okay, question number 5, complete the following multiplication table by filling in the boxes. Sum has been done for you. Now see here, this is a multiplication table. Okay, few already has been done. Okay, those who have books, okay, they can see that these are already done. Okay, what you have to do is that we have to fill this multiplication table. Multiplication table means what? That means we have to multiply and we have to fill this box. Okay, and it is very easy and you can fill it very easily. Okay, so now let us see how to fill and what is this. You can see here that I have made one line and arrow is there. This one we call x-axis. Okay, what is this x-axis? You have learned graph also, and this one is what is the y-axis. Okay, so here what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply this x-axis into y-axis. Okay, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, now we will multiply. In quadrant 1 we will multiply this and this. In quadrant 2 we will multiply this and this, quadrant 3 we will multiply this and this, and quadrant 4 we will multiply this and this. And you know that when you will change the order also, the multiplication answer will be same only. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. What is the answer? 6 only. Okay, so the order does not make any difference. Okay, so now let us multiply and fill it. I will do only few, okay, just to make you understand, and you can do by yourself this filling one. So you can see here that number is given. This is a y-axis. And number is given plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5. Okay, plus 5. Here also plus positive is there. This one is a negative, negative. Okay, so how to do is that what I said is a multiplication table. So here you can see is that this one is the vertical one. So so this x will be same. Okay, x will be what? Same. So this here what is there? Plus 4. That means this we will multiply this plus 1. See it carefully. Okay. This one we will multiply by 1. Okay, this will remain constant. This will remain same. Just this will change. Okay, 4 1 ja. See here both is positive. Plus plus plus. Okay, 4 1 ja 4. Now see already done. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 4 ja 16. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. You can see here 4 4 ja 16. Now plus 4 plus 5. 4 5 ja 20. And sign will be what? Plus only. So it is so easy now. You can see here it is very easy. Now here you see here that this box is not empty. In your book you might be thinking that plus 4 is there. That plus 4 is for this. Okay, y-axis. Now let us multiply this. Okay, this one is what? Plus 4. When this plus 4 will get multiplied by this minus 1. So what will get? Plus 4 into minus 1. Plus minus minus. Okay, and 4 1 ja 4. So you can see here minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16. Now this 4 plus 4 will get multiplied by what? Minus 5. Here you see it is empty. So plus 4 into minus 5. So plus minus minus, and this is also greater, and 4 5s are what? 20. In multiplication, you know the multiplication of integers, no, that when we in addition what we see the greater number sign. Okay, greater absolute value is the number, we will put that sign. But in multiplication what you say, you will put that sign like plus minus minus sign. Okay, now here I have multiplied what? Plus 4 into minus 5. So this is plus minus minus. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So this is the answer of this. So here plus 4 into minus 5 is how much? Is minus 20. Okay, it's very easy. See here, plus 1 into minus 1. So plus minus get multiplied. So what it will be? Minus, and 1 1 ja 1. This will be same. Okay, see here it will get multiplied this way. This into this into this into this. So plus minus minus. Here you will get minus only. Okay, because here plus minus is there, that means minus will be there. So 2 and 1 you have to multiply. So what will be there? 1 2 ja 2. Plus minus minus. 1 3 ja 3. Plus minus minus. 1 4 ja 4. Plus minus minus. 1 5 ja 5. Okay, in multiply no need to see the sign. See, I filled this box. Now let us fill this one also. Plus 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 1. In this quadrant every number will be plus only. So 1 1 ja 1. 1 2 ja 2. It will be positive only because both the numbers are positive. 1 3 ja 3. See here. plus only. Now this one is already filled, so plus 1 5 is 5. See, it's so easy to fill. You will multiply this into this. Okay, you will multiply this into this, you will multiply this into this, you will multiply this quadrant into this, you will multiply this into this. Okay, it's very easy, don't get confused. Now let us fill this box. What will be here? Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to multiply this and this. This box is empty, so this minus 4 will get multiplied by this plus 1. So plus minus is minus, 4 1 ja 4. See, this one is empty now. This one is minus 4. This one is what? Plus 5. Okay, so minus plus minus, 4 5 ja 20. Okay. Now here you see that this one is empty. So what will be here? What I said, in this what will get multiplied, this into this or this into this, you will get the same answer. So in this box, straight what is there? Minus 5. Straight what is there? Minus 4. So minus minus plus. Okay, and 4 5s are 20. Okay, it's very easy. Don't get confused. Okay, let us multiply this one. Okay, in this what will be there? 1. Okay, and here what is there? Minus 1. Here plus 1 will be same. 1 plus minus minus. Okay, 1 1 ja 1. Okay, plus minus minus. In this quadrant also all the number will be minus. 1 2 ja 2. Plus minus minus. 1 3 ja 3. Already 4 is there, you can see. Plus minus minus. 1 5 ja 5. Okay, you have to multiply this into this. Plus minus minus. 2 1 ja 2. Plus minus minus, 2 2 ja 4. Plus minus minus, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, already it is made. Plus minus minus, 2 4 is 8. Plus minus minus, 2 5 is 10. Okay, so see, I filled this one. So what you have to do is that you have to fill all this multiplication table. Okay, so again I will tell you that don't get confused. Multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. Okay, now let us see what is question number 6. Okay, question number 6, fill in the correct signs to make the following statement true. So you can see here that this is question number 6. Okay, few questions were there, so I have taken 3 questions to show you. Okay, so that you can understand how to do. So here we have to put the correct sign to make the statement true. They have already given us the answer. Okay, so by seeing the answer and this too, okay, we have to put the correct sign. That what will be the sign? So let us see with the question number 1 is plus 3. What will be the sign? Okay, plus 6, it gives plus 9. Okay, so you can see that it is very easy. This one is also positive integer, this is also positive integer, this is also positive integer. Okay, that means this plus 3 was added to this plus 6. That is why we got plus 9 now. Because our answer is also plus, you can see this is also plus, this is also positive, 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 positive. That means what we have to do is that we have to put plus sign. Plus 3 when added to plus 6, how much will get? Plus 9. 3 plus 6 is how much? Is 9. So it's very easy to put the sign also. That means this statement we have made true. Okay, by putting the sign. Now what is question number 3 is, this is positive integer plus 3, this is negative integer, and this is what? Minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. That means what we have to do is that this is plus 3. Okay, what will be the sign? Okay, and minus 7, it gives minus 4. So what we have to do? See here, this is minus, that is negative integer. Okay, one of them is here also one negative integer. So what will be here? That we will get negative integer. If I will put here negative integer, so what it will become? It will become minus minus plus. So what it will become? It will become 10 plus 10. But the answer is what? Minus 4. So what we have to do is that we have to put here positive sign. Plus sign will be there. What will be there? Plus sign will be there. Now how? See there. This is plus 3. Plus minus will be what? Minus. I am showing here. Plus 3. Plus minus minus 7. See, I am multiplying the what sign? Okay, so plus minus will be minus 7. So plus minus, what is there? Minus 7 minus 3 is what? 4. And this 7 has a greater absolute value. What is there in front of this? Minus. That is why minus 4 will be there. Okay. Now what will be the sign here? That we will get minus 15. Okay, this is positive 5. This is negative 3 and answer is what? Minus 15. That is negative. So here if I will put plus sign, minus sign, do you think that we will get minus 15? No. We will not get minus 15. So what we have to put is that we will get minus 15 only when we multiply this. So what will be there? Multiplication sign will be there. 5 3 are 15. Okay. And when the sign get multiplied, plus minus minus. In multiplication, when the sign get multiplied, plus into minus. So what you have to do is that here you don't have to see which one is greater or smaller. When you multiply, plus minus minus. Minus into plus, what will be there? Minus only. Plus minus or minus plus. When one negative integer get multiplied by the positive or one positive integer get multiplied by the negative integer, what you have to write the sign is minus sign. In multiplication, you don't have to see which one is greater or smaller to put the sign. Here what you will see, you will write that sign. Minus into minus, what you will write? Plus. Don't write here minus sign. In addition property and multiplication property of doing integers are different. So minus minus, what you will do? Plus, like minus 2 into minus 2. What will be the answer? Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. In this way. Okay. So don't get confused with the addition property and the multiplication property. Okay. They are different. Plus minus, in multiplication you have to write minus. Okay. Minus minus plus. Okay. So this was about question number 6. Okay, now let us see what is question number 7. Okay, so question number 7, what is question number 7 is that is simplification, or you can say simplify. So we are going to simplify this question. You can see so many things are there. Divide, multiply, okay, add, subtract. So we are going to solve this. Okay, we are going to simplify this and we will get one answer. So how to simplify this? You have already learned this in class 6, I hope so. Okay, so those who have forgot, okay, or those who don't know, so see it again how to do. Okay, so to do this simplification, first of all you need to know is that BODMAS. B-O-D-M-A-S. BODMAS. Okay, B means brackets. Okay, there will be brackets. So first we will solve the brackets first. Okay, brackets are there. O means off means multiplication only, D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, S means subtraction. So one by one we will solve. Okay, first if brackets are there, then brackets, off is there, then off, divide is there, then divide, multiply, addition, at last subtraction we have to do. Okay, so now let us do. Okay. So you can see here that brackets are, this is the curly bracket and this is the round bracket. So what we have to do is that we have to solve the bracket first. Okay. So this is 1 minus 2 of, okay, this is the bracket 6 minus. Inside this curly bracket one more bracket is there. So first we will solve this bracket. So 4 plus 3 is what? 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Close this, divide by 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 of minus 6. Now see here, you know that minus, when sign get multiplied, what you have to write is, this one is what? Plus. So here no sign is there in front of 7, that means it is plus, it is a positive integer. Okay. So here plus is there, so when sign get multiplied, minus plus, what you will say? Minus. This is not addition subtraction. Okay. In multiplication what you will say? You have to write that. Minus plus is what? Minus. So we will write here minus 7. Okay. Close the curly bracket, divided by 2. 1 minus 2 of, now we will solve this curly bracket. Okay, so minus minus is what? Plus. Okay, so plus, so 6 plus 7 is how much? Is how much? It is 13. And what sign we will put? We will put the minus sign. I say, you know, when same sign will be there, what we have to do? We have to keep the sign. We have to add and we have to keep the sign, that means minus will be there, divided by 2. So now B means bracket, we have solved the bracket. Okay, we have solved the bracket. Now we will do off. Off means what? Multiplication only. So 1 minus 2 you can write is off into. Okay. Now what you have to do is that you will write the same, minus 13 divided by 2. Now 1 minus. Okay. Now let us multiply this. Now don't get mistaken here. Okay. That this is what? Multiplication. This is what? Minus 2. This one is what? Minus 13. Okay. So minus minus will be what? When minus sign get multiplied by minus sign, so what will be there? Plus. What will be there? Plus. In multiplication, what you will say? You will write that. In that case, you don't have to see that which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay. Minus, minus, plus. Okay, now let us multiply this 2 into 13. Okay, 2 into 13 will be how much? Is 26, or you can say 13 into 2, it is same only, it is what? 26. So what we got? Plus 26. So again I repeat, minus minus plus 2, 13 ja 26. Okay, now what is there is divided by 2. So after all, what is there? Divide is there. So 1 plus 26 divided by 2. Okay, you can do separately like this side. Okay, rough 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6. So how much we got? 13. Okay, so 1 plus 13 is how much? 14. So this is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do the simplification. Okay, so now let us see one more question of this. Question number 7, then the rest will be your homework. Okay, now let us begin to do this question. How to do? You can write here is that 44 minus 11 divided by, first we will solve the bracket. So 22 minus 11 will be how much? Will be 11 only, and will be positive because 22 is greater. Now plus, okay, minus, and this is what? Plus 11. In front of this nothing is written, means it is a positive number, it is plus 11. So minus plus will be how much? Will be minus. Okay, what it will be? Minus will be what? Is minus 33. In multiply, again I repeat, what you say you have to write that minus plus minus 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 plus sign you have to put there. Okay, there you don't need to see that which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay, then minus, okay, when you will subtract this, what we will get? 11 minus 22. Here you can see 22 is greater, so what we will put here is minus sign. So 22 minus 11 is what? 11 into, here also you can see 3 is greater, so 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Okay, and which sign will put? Minus sign, as 3 is greater. Okay, 3 has the greater absolute value. Now 44 minus 11 divided by 11. Now we will multiply the sign, because here plus is there, minus is there. I want to open this bracket, no? So to open this bracket I need to multiply this sign. So what will be that result of that sign? Is that plus minus, what it will be? It is getting multiplied. Okay, plus minus minus 33, minus minus plus. Okay, we will open the bracket. Now you can see here that multiplication sign is given, and in bracket what is there? Minus sign. That means this 11 is getting multiplied by this minus 1. Okay. Now what we need to do is that divide. Okay, bracket we have solved. This one I have written in bracket because multiplication sign is there outside and minus. So I cannot write two signs together, multiply minus. So that is why I have just written in the bracket. Okay. So now what I have to do is that divide. So minus 11 divided by 11. So 11 1 is 11. Here will be what? 1. 11 divided by 11 will be what? 1. Okay, minus 33. Now we can multiply this also in the same line. You can multiply because we have divided. Now we can multiply this. Okay. So plus minus is what? Minus. 11 1 is 11. Plus minus here. Sign is getting multiplied. Plus minus minus. 11 1 is 11. Okay. Now let us solve this. So after multiplication, what is their addition? So you can see in addition only 144 is there. So let it be here. Now what we need to do is that we have to solve this first. Okay. Because in this group of this addition only 44 is the positive number. Okay, so now let us do this plus. Okay, so we will write here minus sign because this 33 has the greater absolute value. So minus 33 plus 1. Okay, minus minus is what? Plus. So 33 plus 1 is what? 34 minus 11. So 44. Okay, minus minus again what will be there? Plus. Minus minus plus. But we will write which sign? Minus sign. Okay, 34 and 11 has the same sign minus. Now 34 plus 11, how much will be there? 45. Okay, now you can see is that this is a positive integer and this one is a negative integer, and this one is 45. So 45 minus 44 will be how much? 1, and which sign we will put is minus sign. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us see what is question number. What is question number 9? Question number 9 is a page from Mr. Bakshi's bank passbook shown the following entries. So this is the passbook of this Mr. Bakshi's. Okay, and these are the entries which are shown in the passbook. So what it is? Let us see. Balance as on 1st of April 2016. So what was the balance? 6,128 rupees. Then what he did? He deposited the cash and how much he deposited? 2500 rupees. Then again what he did, he withdraw it. So how much was the withdrawal? 3150 rupees. Again check deposit was done of how much was 1800 rupees. Again withdrawal from ATM was done of 2000 rupees. Okay, so see here how to do. So before he had a balance of how much? 6128. Then again what he did, cash deposit was done. Then again withdrawal was done. Okay, so first his balance was this much. So at last, after doing withdrawal, deposit, so what was Mr. Bakchi's balance on 30 April 2016? We have to find the last balance of this. Okay, so how to do CL? Balance was this much. Okay, then what he did? He deposited. Okay, he deposited. Like you have 5 rupees, your mother gave you 5 rupees, now it becomes 10 rupees. Now you ate 2 rupees from that. Okay, so 10 minus 2 will be how much? 8 rupees you have now. Your father gave you 10 rupees. Okay, now it has become 18 rupees. Okay, again you ate 8 rupees from that. So 18 minus 8, how much? 10 rupees. So at last how much you have? 10 rupees. Same way we will do here. Okay, that the balance was 6128. Then he has done a cash deposit. That means what? You have to add. We have to add. So we will add this. Okay. So how much we will get? Let us add. Okay. 8 plus 0 is how much? Is 8. 2 plus 0 is how much? Is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. So now the balance is this much. Okay. This is the balance. Now what he did? He had this much balance. This is what? Positive only. Okay. He had this much balance. Okay. This was also positive, this is also positive. So this much balance he had. Now what he did was withdrawal was done. Before he have deposited, that means plus balance was there. Okay, now withdrawal means what you have to do? You have to subtract. So minus will be there. Okay, what you have to do? Minus. So plus minus is what? Minus, and this one is bigger. So 8 minus 0 is how much? Is 8. From 2 we cannot subtract 5, so this 2 will take one borrowing from this 6. Okay, so this 2 will become 12 minus 5 is how much? Is 7. This becomes 5, so this 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. 8 minus 3 is how much? Is 5. And this one is greater, no? So it will be plus. So after withdrawal, how much he had? 5478. Now what he did? He has done check deposit. Check deposit means what? It will be added to his balance. That means plus. Okay, plus will be there. This one we have got. That means plus, let us add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. Okay, so after the deposit of check, he in his account, how much was the balance? 7278. Now again he did the withdrawal of how much? Withdrawal of 2000. That means what we have to do? We have to subtract it. No, we have to subtract. He has taken out the amount, so we have to do minus. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So at last, what was the balance? Mr. Bakchi's balance on 30 April 2016 was how much? Was rupees 5278. How much it was? Rupees 5278. Okay. So in this way you can do balance, cash deposit, add. Okay. Then again what you have to do? Withdrawal means subtraction. How much was the withdrawal? This much was the withdrawal. Then again whatever you will get, again deposit was done, plus. Okay, so again whatever you will get, what you have to do? Withdrawal of 2000, so minus, and what you got at last is the Bakchi's balance. Okay, after doing so many transactions. Okay, so with this I have completed this exercise 2.1. Okay, so I have left few questions that will be your homework, and whatever I do on the blackboard is your classwork. You have to do this in your copy as a classwork. And after this, what is the revision exercise? Only one exercise is there, 2.1. Direct revision exercise is there. From there I will give you few questions as a homework, and few questions whatever will be left in my next online class I will do that. Okay, so for today up to this much. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.